Hi, aloha. So we're gonna tell you guys how you can adjust your 360 videos to make it so you can watch it the best way possible. Initially, when you load up a 360 video, it's probably at maybe 4K or less, 1080p maybe. Click on the bottom right gear. Now you want to click on the gear, go all the way up as high as you can. I found 8K on this video. Some of my other videos it's only 4K. So there you can see that it has cleared up and it's looking pretty good for 360 video. You can look up and look on the side. Just remember 8K seems like a lot because I normally do 4K, but 4K is just one view in front of you, this one area. That 8K has to be spread around from the front, the back, the bottom, and the top. So it's like it has to cover 4 different areas, which means that it's probably cut down to a quarter of 8K for each view. But it looks pretty good. So I just wanted to show you folks how you can maneuver in the settings to set it the best way possible for your viewing pleasure. A lot of people say, oh, I can't watch it because it's out of focus or it's pixely, and I get it. And it could be your internet too. It could totally be your internet. But okay. So the other thing is you can, if you have a smartphone or a tablet and you're watching the YouTube video that's in 360, you can move your phone around literally, like move it around like this, you know, and it will change the view. Unless your phone or tablet is set in a really weird way that doesn't allow you to do that. And then the other thing is if you're on computer, you can just use your cursor, click on the screen and drag it across, look around, up, down. If you have an Apple mouse or if you have a gaming wheel mouse, you can drag your finger from the top down to zoom in. From the top of the mouse down in the middle, down to the bottom of the mouse, and it'll zoom in. If you want to zoom out, you go from the bottom of the mouse and you go up. If you have a wheel, you have to turn it a little bit more, but probably. But zooming in the 360 video is not really helpful because it gets pixely when you do that. So yeah, this is basically how you can watch and get the most out of your 360 videos. As long as your internet is fast enough for the amount of speed it needs to achieve this quality. If you think that this video is helpful, click the thumbs up to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to PhotoLukeHawaii yet, please subscribe. We show and document things in Hawaii mostly, and a lot of Waikiki stuff. So thanks everybody. See, we're looking around, up. Look at that beautiful sky. And if the internet starts to slow down, it might pixelate a little bit, but in general, it's okay. Hey, what's up? We found some people who saw us, who watch us. So that's it's cool how you can also stop the video and look around at things. You know, you can just pause it and then look around at your whole environment. So I hope this helps. Aloha.